I got a hold of this 4-foot by 4-foot sheet of aluminum from a buddy of mine and created this box-like thing to separate the fuel cell from the cab. Because the NHRA rules state you can't have the fuel cell or the fuel lines in the same compartment as the driver. Now this is our project drag car that we've been building in the dirt, literally in the dirt. It started out as a $1,000 roller I bought on Facebook Marketplace, stripped down, cut up, welded, drilled, fabbed, wrenched, and built up to what it is currently today. I've got a lot of knowledge, but I will admit, we've run into many new challenges during this project, most notably making our own seat brackets. The floors in these things, they're squirrely. Number one, can't get it over far enough because the roll bar's here. And number two is, look at the height. That ain't gonna work. Too high. Moved it back further, didn't work. We're just gonna have to basically almost start over. Finding engine mounts that would work with our K-member? Yeah, we may have pulled the engine 15 times in a day before smacking the windshield. Yep, I'm mad as hell. Third set of engine mounts ain't gonna work. On the final install, don't even get me started on oil pan clearance to the K-member. Pulling an all-nighter with the Skeeters, pull an engine, swap the pan, and reinstall the engine. The transmission install required us to angle the engine a little bit so all the hot side piping was off, which resulted in a cool video though. And now my entire hot side can be unbolted with 6 easily accessible bolts. So that kind of worked out. Chuck dropped the 240-pound transmission on me.
Give her a shove, bub.
Oh.
This is terrifying. You got a thing here that's in the way with a bolt that's too tight. Move it. There we go. Oh my god!
Put it back! Put it back! Chuck, what you doing? It's going down.
Don't let it come down.
Chuck!
I didn't do that.
You Chuck, she's going down.
Don't let it come down.
I'm gonna hit it with my toe. Chuck!
What?
That ain't how it was supposed to go. Okay, I think you get the point. It's been a hell of a ride, and I truly couldn't be happier with the feedback that you guys have been giving me and the community that's starting to slowly grow around High Noon Racing. So what are the final steps on our F-body drag car build that must be done before it's ready to party? Well, I'm glad you're wondering, because so am I. Last Friday, we ordered the final rear suspension components, from trick chassis to complete the rear end, dual adjustable lower control arms, and adjustable upper and lower panhard bar. Once that's installed, we can measure and order our drive shaft, yoke, and U-joints. It's currently May 2024, and I'm estimating around June or July, we will be actually hitting the dyno and then hitting the track. We have come a long way since the start of this project. Time-wise, 7 months, 6 months, something like that. We built this car practically from scratch with just a chassis and a body, recording and sharing the experience along the way. It's that kind of perseverance that's testament to our founding fathers' love for whiskey. Yeah, I messed up that line, but I do love whiskey. Make sure you hit that subscribe button that's down below so you don't miss out on what's to come. Also, let me know what you think about the build so far. Like it or hate it, let me know. And let me know what you think about dyno numbers for the future. What's this thing gonna make? So I can promise you one thing, she's gonna go or she's gonna blow.